In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious Kerala style fish curry, that too in an earthen pot that is typically used for this type of fish curry, and the process is entirely different, very simple ingredients and very rustic taste. Stay tuned for this lovely recipe of classic Kerala style fish curry. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this yummy recipe. So for this recipe, I have taken here Rohu fish, that's a classic freshwater fish, around 1 kg, and I have cut this pieces a little bit into thick slices like 1 inch thickness of each slice. This tastes awesome for this curry. So here I washed it and drained out the excess water, and few more basic ingredients for this curry are: first is the Malabar onion or the small sambar onions. If you can't get this, you can also take the regular onion. You can take the regular onion and around 2 large size, and if you're getting this, you can take around 100 grams and it can be crushed or chopped. 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves I have taken here, and 15 cloves of garlic and 1 ginger I have nicely crushed it. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, fenugreek seeds around half a teaspoon, some coriander powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and red chilli powder I have taken here around 1.5 tablespoon, and Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder for that beautiful color around 1.5 tablespoon. And then next important ingredient is Malabar tamarind. If you don't have the Malabar tamarind, you can always take the regular tamarind, and we need to soak it in hot water for around 10 minutes. And apart from that, I have taken a bowl here. I'll add all the dry spices, the chili powder and the turmeric powder, coriander powder in half a cup of water. Mix it and leave it aside. I have not added here the Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Apart from that, everything I have added. So now let's begin. Here I have taken a beautiful earthen pot, heat it on medium flame. Earthen pot gives a typical flavor for this type of curry, and again the basic flavor of this curry is coconut oil, that I have added 2 teaspoon, and the regular cooking oil 3 teaspoon. If you don't want to add coconut oil, it's entirely upon your choice, but adding coconut oil gives this recipe the classic and authentic touch. So again, it depends upon your wish. Use a spatula to spread this oil uniformly across the sides of this earthenware, and once it's nicely heated, first goes the fenugreek leaves and the mustard seeds. Wait till it nicely tempers. This tempering adds a very nice flavor to our curry, because this curry will be making in very simple way. So once this has started to splutter, then goes the fresh curry leaves. I have washed them, and then goes the Malabar onions in 100 grams. As I said, if you do not have this onions, you can use the regular onions. Just use 2 large size and chop them finely. Some amount of salt I have added, and now it's time to roast these onions, curry leaves and the tempering. And after 5 to 6 minutes, I'll be adding crushed ginger and garlic. Give it a mix, and the rest of the cooking will happen simultaneously with the onions. And now roast all these aromatics in medium flame for around 7 to 8 minutes till this onion turns nice golden brown in this way. This is very important. We want these onions to become nicely caramelized. It should turn out golden brown exactly as I have shown in video. And once it's done, I'll be adding the other ingredients. First, I'll add the spice paste that I had prepared. This goes in, and I'll give it a mix, and after sauteing for 2 to 3 minutes, this spice paste will release the oil. That means it has been nicely sauteed. So the spice mist has been nicely sauteed. You can see it has released oil, and then we'll be adding the Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, and this time this will release a nice hue of red color. So this is very important. Give it a mix just for 1 minute or so, and after that it's time to add the star ingredients, that's the turmeric pulp. If you can get the Malabar turmeric, you can add, or it's called imli. Otherwise, you can use the regular turmeric. Soak it in hot water for 10 minutes and then squeeze out the pulp out of it. 3 to 4 tablespoons I'll be adding. Give it a mix, and it will release nice aroma. And to balance the sourness of this turmeric, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of Jaggery powder. Again, just give it a mix. Same concept as we use for sambar. And nicely this spice mist has been roasted. Now I'll be adding around 2 cups of water, around 500 ml approximately, because fish will release its own moisture. So for 1 kg of raw fish, 2 cups of water or 500 ml is enough. We are using half a kg. Reduce it to half and wait till it starts to boil. And after it starts to boil, I'll be adding the fish pieces directly to this stew we have made. And this fish, freshwater fish, raw fish, will take just 10 to 15 minutes to cook in this gravy. This is the specialty of Kerala style fish curry. Raw fish is added, and the next specialty is that once prepared, this fish can be stored for up to 6 to 7 days and it won't stale anyway because of the tamarind that we are using. Just we can reheat every day, and this can be used for 2 to 3 days. And once it has started to boil, I'll cover it and reduce the flame to medium and let it simmer on medium flame for around 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this fish is looking different. The fish in this curry, in this gravy, will gradually absorb the flavors of this gravy. That's why it's normally taken or consumed the day after it is prepared. Suppose you are making the fish today, you can consume it tomorrow. At least leave 5 to 6 hours minimum, or you can consume the next day. It tastes just heavenly. Gradually, as the day passes, the taste enhances of this fish curry. So after 10 minutes, this fish is perfect. Lastly, I'll be adding some curry leaves and slitted green chilies goes in to enhance the flavor. And if you want some more of the authentic Kerala flavor, don't forget to add around 1 tablespoon of coconut oil at this stage. So just 12 to 15 minutes of cooking and this fish is done. Switch off the flame and I'll just show you after 5 to 6 hours how it's looking. So after 5 to 6 hours, this is the texture and consistency of my curry. You can consume it after 5 to 6 hours, or as I said, it tastes just heavenly just the day after you have made it. The next day goes best with steamed rice. Do try this authentic Kerala style recipe. You will love the flavors. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Mona Lisa Samal. She writes, "Thanks for your valuable tips. It's really helped me a lot. Thank you. I'm so glad that my small tips and tricks are actually helping you. So blessed. And thank you for letting me know. Stay safe and stay connected." For today's video, that's authentic Kerala style fish curry in a nice earthenware. I hope you have liked this video. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked this video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.